Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Elevated Cooking. I would like to do an unboxing for the third generation June oven that I just received today. The box came in literally just today. I've had the second generation. This is actually a replacement for me since I actually am the one who broke the second generation. So I figured I'd show you the unboxing first, and in the future videos I'll show you actually how to use it for some of the recipes that I like. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and do the unboxing now on the June oven. Okay guys, so I just got it out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap the rest of it. It's like this grayish silver siding. That's one thing I wish they would actually allow us to change. I personally would either prefer an all black or white option in the future instead of the gray. But that's just personal preferences. The oven will still work the same. I'm gonna guess these are all the accessories that came in with the June oven. I'll put the box away. So I could see it too. So this is the June Plus. With it, I have the internal racks to place the food on. I think this is probably going to be the thermometer. That's going to be my guess. Yep, that's the thermometer. Oh, it looks different than second generation. And I'll show you guys the difference actually. This one looks more like it's metal braided, and I actually have the second generation one accessible. Second generation one looks like it's actually more rubberized. So this one looks more like it's a steel nylon. So just by even looking at it, I can tell this one's probably going to stand up a little better over time. So looking forward to seeing what other differences are going to be. Jack looks the same. I'll find out also if the old thermometer works on the new third generation one for guys who are going to be upgrading, so that way maybe you won't have to throw away your second generation thermometer. Okay, I know this is for the baking tray rack. Here's the baking tray, and I know there's one thing on the bottom as well, and that's the drip tray. So I got the drip tray, the baking tray, and the rack. Now guys, keep in mind one thing I noticed with the baking trays. If I actually showed you my other ones, you'll notice that actually where it holds, it kind of wears out the baking tray. So keep that in mind. Over time, you'll have these little basically places where the nonstick coating will wear out. I'm hoping that they fixed it for 3rd generation. We'll see what happens over time as I use these, and see what happens if they improved anything. So it'll be interesting to find out. Okay, so it says remove tape before use. I know there's vents underneath this tape. That's one thing that also, if dirt or grease gets in there between the door, it's going to be really hard to clean. And also the cleaning instructions, I'm going to do a more detailed video on how to do it, because that's why my June oven actually broke, is I cleaned it incorrectly and I broke one of the heating elements from the top side, and it basically wouldn't work anymore. So this is why this is my replacement one. And I could already tell, yeah, they put the guards on the top ones as well, and still looks like the same amount of heat elements, same 2 fans. But I noticed the coating's different on the door as well. More feels like a matte black on the door. If I'm remembering correctly, I have the other oven, I'll double check. But this seems more like a matte finish. So that's really something different I noticed. So I'll put in the drip tray on the bottom. Put in the rack, probably in the middle, because that middle one's the most probably used rack in my household. And I'll just go ahead and install the baking tray in there for now as well. I'll go ahead and power it on and go through the setup if you guys want. That was the unboxing, but for those who want to stay with me, I'll go ahead and see if I can show you the quick setup. Should be connected to the Wi-Fi. I already have the Apple app. That basically allows you to connect it to your iOS device. Okay, I'm going to try to do this slightly, hopefully out of frame. I have a bunch of cooking stuff. Here's the June, and saying starting up. As soon as I plugged it in, I'll go to the oven and I'll do settings. I gotta disconnect the old one. Okay guys, I'm ready to set up my June oven. I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the oven, and I'm gonna try to block out the security code, and I'll just click, in this case, I'll accept privacy terms and conditions. I agree. That's my network. Actually, it's the second one. I'm gonna go ahead and put in my Wi-Fi password, and okay guys, my Wi-Fi is connected. It's downloading updates. All right guys, as you can see, my oven just finished updating after connecting to my Wi-Fi network. I'm gonna now go ahead and still accept the terms and conditions. I'll say I agree. Again, searching for Wi-Fi after update. That's kind of interesting. Delana fast. For my network, I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi password again. So now it's connected again to my Wi-Fi network. It's giving me the option to connect to app. I'm going to go ahead and connect to app, and I'm going to go to connect to oven on my phone, and it's going to give me the code to enter in this case. So it's connected to my phone. Wipe before use. Clean with the damp cloth. Oven smell the first time it heats up. Yeah, I'll keep that in mind. So I'll go ahead and wipe it down the first time. Okay, and that's the app. All done. And I'll probably end up cooking chicken breast as my first recipe. So if you'd like, stay tuned. I'll probably cook chicken for my first oven bake. So if you'd like to see that, go ahead, stay tuned. It's just going to be a basic recipe, and I'll go ahead, wipe it down, and clean it, and we'll see how the first bake turns out in this oven. So stay tuned. Otherwise, thanks for joining. Like, subscribe, comment below, and let me know what recipes you'd like to see from my channel, as I'm starting, obviously, sharing and seeing what basically you guys want to see would be great for me. Cooking is one of my passions, and I hope that you can actually get something out of this channel. Okay, thanks for joining. Bye.